Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your Spaces recording history. And before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app, and here it opens up in the feed, usually, where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then we have to swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. And here in this section, we have to scroll down a bit and tap on privacy and safety. Then under your X activity, we find Spaces. If we tap on this, in the middle we find the manage your Spaces recording history. If we tap on this, then here will be the recordings list, and here we can determine which one we want to post. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.